Hello, my greetings. Jashidele. I am Gen Lodoe, the principal of Dzongkar Choede Secondary School. I, on behalf of the school, would like to express my heartfelt appreciation to the organizing team for conducting this valuable teacher training program. Um, Your organization is primarily dedicated to supporting and upgrading staff in monastic institution has provided us with practical knowledge, useful strategies, and fresh perspectives, which will surely, you know, enhance our teaching practices. This training has not only enriched our skills, but also encouraged us to approach our duties with renewed dedication and mindfulness. So we look forward to more such opportunities in the future. Thank you so much.